Question number 18. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles. Spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A. That means in the first circle center is A. Next, second circle center is B. Next again, third circle center is A, fourth circle center is B, and so on. Starting with the center at A of radii 0.5 centimeter. So radius of the first circle, radius of this first circle is 0.5 centimeter. Next, radius of the second circle, radius of the second circle is 1 centimeter. Radius of the second circle is 1 centimeter, and radius of the third circle is 1.5 centimeter. Radius of the fourth circle is 2 centimeter. That means 0.5 centimeter is increasing as shown in the figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? What is the total length? That means we should find the total length of such spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles. 13 consecutive semicircles. So here we should take a pi value 22/7. Length of successive semicircles is L1, L2, L3, L4 with centers at A, B, AB respectively. Here hint is given. So ಒಂದು ಸುರುಳಿಯನ್ನು ಕ್ರಮಾಗತ ಅರೆ ವೃತ್ತಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವುಗಳ ಕೇಂದ್ರಗಳು ಪರ್ಯಾಯವಾಗಿ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಎ ಕೇಂದ್ರದಿಂದ ಆರಂಭವಾಗಿ ತ್ರಿಜ್ಯಗಳು 0.5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1.5 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ಹೀಗೆ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ 13 ಕ್ರಮಾಗತ ಆದರೆ ವೃತ್ತಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಸುರುಳಿಯ ಒಟ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ಏನು ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 22/7 ಎಂದು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಮಿಸರ್ಕಲ್, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, that is equal to pi r. Therefore, total length of 13 semicircles is first semicircle is pi r1 you should take plus second semicircle is pi r2, then next pi r3 plus up to total 13 terms, up to 13 terms. Now here in this you should take pi common here. Inside the bracket remaining r1 plus r2 plus r3 dash up to 13 terms. So pi value we should take here 22/7. So in the first semicircle radius is 0.5 centimeter. Next, second semicircle radius is given 1 centimeter, plus next third semicircle radius is 1.5 centimeter, so on up to 13 terms. So here S13. So S13 is equal to 22/7. So next what we should do here, so A value we should take a 0.5. Here A is equal to 0.5. Then difference we will get 1 minus 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 1 minus 0.5, so this is equal to 0.5. So next n is equal to, we should take a 13. So we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d formula. So here into n by 2, this you should write as it is, or here you can write Sn formula. So Sn is equal to n by 2 then 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have to use this formula here. Now S13 is equal to 22 by 7, you should take as it is. N by 2, n is 13 according to this formula, 13 by 2, then 2a value is 0.5 plus n 13 minus 1 into d is 0.5. d is 0.5. So now reduce it to 1 ja, 2 11 ja. This is equal to 11 into 13 divided by 7. Then 2 into 0.5, 2 into 0.5, that is equal to 1. 2 into 0.5 is 1 plus 13 minus 1 is 12 into 0.5. Now here multiply 12 into 0.5, 5 2s are 10, carry 1 0 here, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 0 2s are 0, 0 1s are 0. Here 0 6 0, so after one digit point is there, put point, that means 6. Answer you will get here 6. So 11 into 13 whole divided by 7 into here 12 into 0.5, that is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Now 7 7 reduce it, this implies 11 into 13. 11 into 13 you should multiply. 11 into 13, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. So 3 4 1, 143. So yes, 13 is equal to 143. That means total length the spiral is 143 centimeters. Total length of the spiral is 143 centimeters.